Are you looking for a great all-in-one shampoo and conditioner that soothes your scalp, makes your hair look fuller without looking weighed down, and can be used on all different hair types? I'm Gina with WTI, and I love the way that my hair looks and feels with using this shampoo that I got from REFORIAN. I noticed right away how much better my scalp felt. It doesn't feel tight or itchy. And I've noticed less hair fall, which is a total bonus. And because this has castor oil and biotin in it, you can expect to see those results with consistent use. This is a very lightweight formula, but I was surprised even with that, it definitely sudsed up well and it rinsed out cleanly. I left it on my hair and scalp for the full amount of time that's recommended by the manufacturer. I definitely want to optimize my results, and that's gonna help so much with that. I have fine hair that's dry from over-treatment. I color my hair, and this shampoo and conditioner has made it look so great. I think you're gonna love it too, and that's my point of view.